So if you want to fix this problem, it's very easy. What you have to do is to just follow me step by step without skipping any part of this video. So first of all, you have to head straight to your phone menu. Then you have to scroll a little bit and try to search for your Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. When you open it, search for Gangster Vegas. And when you search for Gangster Vegas, what you have to do is to just tap on the update that appears on your phone screen. So when you tap on update, it's going to reinstall and you're going to find uninstall and also play over here. Don't tap on the play, just go back and go to your phone settings. So when you get to your phone settings, what you have to do is to tap on SIM card and mobile network. Then after that, select the network type you're using. Then tap on preferred network type. Then after that, tap on 2G/3G/4G or 2. So after that, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings again. Then after that, tap on app management. Tap on your app settings over here. Then after that, scroll, or you can tap on the search application and try to search for Gangster. So this is Gangster Vegas 4. So now tap on notifications and make sure you allow notifications. So check all the notification, whether every notification is allowed, which is very necessary. Then after that, tap on storage and cache. Then you tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions, which depends on the phone you're using. You have to make sure the background data is turned on, which is very, very important because this device this application or software uses mobile data. Then after that, you have to tap on the force stop, then tap on OK. Then what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. Then you just swipe it down to restart the device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.